Hey guys, it's DeVito with WTI. And when it comes to clothes, practically every woman wants to be comfortable, but we also want to be cute. And this bodycon midi dress by KOH provides both of those things. My favorite thing about it, besides how soft and comfortable the material is that it can be used in every single season. So for both formal and informal use. You can layer it using long sleeve underneath for those colder months, which I actually really enjoyed doing this because it gave it a little bit of a dressier look. You can even throw a scarf and a vest on during fall time, throw some sneakers on, or you can simply wear it alone during the summer because the square neckline is so flattering. Even if you wanted to just pull the sleeves over your shoulders for a more formal look, you could try doing that too, throw on some heels. I have used this formally and I put on a pair of heels and a dressy blazer and I got so many compliments on it. The slits on the side make it super comfortable for walking, and the material that it's made out of, the rayon spandex, is double lined, which is great. So it's even nice for lounging around. I threw a hoodie over it and it's just super comfortable. I got the copper rust brown color in a size small, and I would say that the fit is perfect. I'm 5'3" and the length falls just around the mid-shin area. This is a dress you'll definitely want to have in multiple colors, especially the basic ones because you can style it in so many different ways. You're gonna fall in love with this dress. And that is my point of view.